Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is me Pratyush and this is a brand new week with a new AI website. So for today week, we are going to cover this Fragments by E2B. So this is a new website and I have got my hands on this website. So basically this app is similar to Bolt.new or Lovable, but still it has some more feature which I really like. First of all, it is an open source project made by E2B. So basically it helps you to run your AI generated code straight away on your browser. Alright, so this app includes certain feature which I really like. The first one is over here. You can see you have a tons of options, different kind of options, like you can change from like the DeepSeek, even though you have all the models from the OpenAI, Anthropic and Google, even though you have Mistral, Llama, DeepSeek. That's great. Let's go with the Claude 3.5 Sonnet and let's try to create an app. By the way, before creating app, you have a persona over here. So if you want to create a calculator app using Python, then you can choose this Python data analyst over here or Streamlit. So let's try to build a simple login page first. We will see if it works or not. And for the persona, let it be at auto and so it will automatically choose a persona and then try to create a login page. Alright, this is pretty fast. Then Bolt.new. Alright, so it has created a simple sign-in page. It looks great. So now let's try to create it using the Streamlit. So let's say create a sign up page. And we have chosen Streamlit developer as the main persona. So in order to see the fragment, you can click in over here and this will just give you the preview and all. And here is our app. So create an account. Basically it has created a sign up page somewhat like this, which is fully functional. Alright, I just liked it. And even though it has an option so that you can add in your login over here. Alright, so you have different options like Vue.js, Next.js developer. You can choose any one of them. And let's try to create a simple application. So create budget planner application. Alright, it is pretty quick and the major benefit from Bolt.new or Bolt.diy is that this is free and you can choose any of these kind of API over here. You can add in your API key over here. So these are the feature I really liked. So this is a Streamlit based application where you have your dashboards, add transactions and transactions history. So let's try to go to dashboard and we haven't add any kind of record like salary and add this one. Okay, so we have added in over here and let's see our dashboard. So you can see financial dashboard is total income, total expenses and the balance, and you can even see the history that how we get these things. So you can simply tag in there. So basically you can download the transactions even though. Alright, this is a very basic app. You can try it out. So let's try to deploy it. So over here you have an option to deploy this to E2B. So let it be for 1 hour and accept and deploy. And it is finally deployed. Let's copy and paste it over here. Alright, so this is a Streamlit based application and this is great. It uses Python in the backend and Streamlit in the front end. And this is really great. So let's try to add income like expenses. So let's say income and I will enter amount like $200 for instance. And this is successfully added. As you can see in the income, we have successfully added $200. And let's say we want to do an expenses of like, I've done a $30 of expenses. So this has been added. So yeah, we have an expenses and alright, this is really good. It has created a complete application. I haven't asked it for like these particular things like the graphs and all, but it has came up with the idea of giving me the graph and all the detailed view. And even though it has created this transaction history over here so that you can easily add in your transaction, and even though you can download it over here, you can see this download option. So I think this app is better than Bolt.new. Simply have to just add in any persona and then you can type in anything that you want to create. And this is even though an open source project with a different kind of API key. So I like this app. So I hope this website is really helpful for you, and if it was, then consider subscribing, hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.